In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset BambooHR password. Now to do this, you want to go to your dashboard, and then from here you want to go to the bottom left here where you can see your account, so the profile icon, just click on that, and then from here you want to click on change password. Now when you do this, as you can see, it's going to say change password. You have to type in your current password and then the new password again, of course, and then over here you want to confirm it by retyping in your new password as well, okay? So the current one, the new, and then the new one again. And of course, here are some requirements. You want to click on the save button when you're done, and that's going to change your password. However, if you are currently logged out and you are, for example, over here, if I go to the logout page and I'm going to click on log back in, it's going to ask me to log in. Here, if you forgot your password, you can simply click on forgot password. You're going to have to type in your email, and of course, you can go ahead and click on send the email, and then into your email inbox, they will send you a reset link where you'll be able to type in the new password, confirm it, and that way you can change it as well. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.